So now in this section we will see how can you become a hero from zero in the AWS cloud computing. Even if you don't know anything about the cloud computing, or if you are a non-technical background, then also you can become a cloud computing expert, because this course package is designed in that way. It contains not only the AWS Solution Architect Associate course, but also about all related technologies which you should know before you start learning cloud computing. So we will cover basics of cloud computing, which is generally a separate certification course in AWS and Microsoft Azure, which is called as a cloud foundational or a cloud fundamental course, where we are covering topics like how cloud computing was invented, what is meant by cloud computing, then cloud computing types, then what are the benefits of cloud computing over a traditional data center. Then we will also see cloud infrastructure like what is meant by region, then availability zone, edge locations. Then we will see different cloud service providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP means cloud service from Google, Aliyun from Alibaba.com. And we will also see what are the market shares of these major cloud service providers. Then we will see how can we create a free tier account in the AWS, and by using this free tier account we can perform the different labs. So this free tier account is totally free for the 12 months. Then we will also see the different services provided by the AWS cloud. Then we will go through the case study about why organizations are moving from the traditional infrastructure to the cloud. Then we will also see various certifications provided by AWS and Microsoft Azure, because these are the two top cloud service providers considering the market shares. Then majority of servers used under production network uses the Linux as operating system. Why this Linux is used as an operating system in the servers? Because it is the more secure and lightweight as compared to the Windows operating system. Generally, cloud computing is used by IT industries to deploy servers on the cloud. So when you decided to start your journey on the cloud computing, then it is must that you should know about the Linux operating system. Many of you may be familiar with the Windows operating system, because this Windows operating system is the most used operating system for the personal workstations. But many of you does not work on the Linux operating system, and by considering this only, we designed this course which covered everything about Linux operating system. It includes the different topics like how the development in operating system take place, how Linux operating system was invented, then what are the different types of the operating systems, then what is the difference between the Windows and Linux operating system. Then we will also see how can we perform the lab on the Linux operating system even we does not have any Linux operating system installed on our local workstation. So we will perform the lab by creating a virtual machine on the cloud, and from our Windows workstation we can access this virtual machine on which we deployed the Linux operating system, and we will perform the different labs on this Linux virtual machine. And in the labs we will see the different commands which are used into the Linux operating systems. Then in a cloud computing, the IT resources are provided in the virtualized form. So it is very important that we should know about the virtualization technique. In this basics of virtualization technology course, we have covered concept of virtualization, then types of different virtualization techniques, what is meant by hypervisor. Then we will also see the different virtualization service providers, then various virtualization techniques used by different cloud computing service providers. Because as discussed in the cloud computing, all the resources which are provided to the end user are exist in the virtualized form. So it is very important to understand the virtualization technology to understand the cloud computing. Then as we are accessing our IT resources in the cloud computing through the internet, right? So to access any of the IT resources remotely through the network, a unique identity is required to each of these IT resources, and this unique identity is called as an IP address. To become a good cloud engineer, you should have a better understanding of the computer networking, IP addressing, and subnetting techniques. So in this IP addressing and subnetting course, we are covering various topics like introduction to the networking, then IP addressing and IP address types, then classification of IPv4 address, then what is a network and host portion for a IP address, what is meant by public and private IP address, what is meant by subnetting, and how different subnetting techniques works, then what is meant by public and private address, what is meant by subnetting, and how different subnetting techniques works. After completion of cloud fundamentals, then Linux operating system, then learning about the virtualization techniques, then IP addressing and subnetting, then after completion of these 4 topics or 4 courses, then only we will move to our main course called as AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. And in this course, we will discuss various services like identity and access management, then the different storage services like S3. S3 means simple storage service, EBS, which is elastic block storage, then EFS means elastic file storage. Then the next service is different computing services like EC2 and the Lambda. We will also see relational and non-relational database service, then the Route 53, which is used as a domain name system or DNS service provided by the Amazon. Then virtual private cloud, which is abbreviated as VPC. Then we will also see how can we build or architect our applications for high availability. Then we will see different applications like SQS, which is nothing but the queuing service, simple queue service. Then the notification service called as a SNS. Then the elastic transcoder, Cognito. Then after that we will look about how can we secure our data in transit and data at rest using various security services. One of these security services is called as the key management service. We will look also serverless computing technique. This service is called as a Lambda, which create the Lambda function to upload the code, and the end user does not need to worry about the infrastructure which running this code, and that's why it's called as the serverless computing. And at the end of this AWS Solution Architect course, we will learn how can we book our exam and successfully pass the certification exam in the first attempt. In this course, we are performing around 63 labs. And to understanding any of the technology, it is very important that you can perform maximum number of practical labs, and that's why you become the more familiar with that technology. So these many labs are rarely provided any of the AWS cloud training providers. So you can check through the various training providers that how many labs they are providing for this course. Once you complete this course, then you can update your resume and start applying for AWS Solution Architect positions. But before going for interview, you have to go through this AWS interview questions course, which contains more than 100 questions which are frequently asked by various organizations in interview to evaluate candidates' knowledge in the cloud computing. So before going to face any of the interview, you should first go through this interview questions course. Then before applying for the final certification exam, you should prepare for the exam with the help of our real exam questions dump. And these test exams are prepared considering the real exam format, then the duration and the level of difficulty. And after matching this format, duration and level of difficulty, we design these two sets, which in total contains the 14 test exams. And these 14 test exams having more than 1000 real exam questions, means these are the frequently asked questions in the certification exam in the past. If you go to the AWS website and if you see the certification, then AWS is also providing the test exams. But for this test exam, AWS is charging $20, means around 1500 Indian rupees for a single test exam. But here we are providing 14 such exams, right? So once you start the test, then it will start a timer, and within the defined time period only, you have to answer all the questions. And these exams are exact simulation of the real AWS certification exam. And in this 14 test exam, in each test exam, you should score minimum 80%. And if you not, then you have to re-attempt that particular test exam to get at least 80% of marks. And all the questions in these 14 test exams are provided with a review which contains a detailed explanation about why the selected option is right or wrong. So for each and every question we provided an explanation, so it will help you to clear all your concepts and build your confidence to get the pass in a real certification exam in the first attempt only. You can check the course details by logging to our website www.ngli.in/courses. Then these are the 8 courses which we discussed just now. You can check the portions covered under each of these courses, and you can also go through the free preview for the more details, because every course is provided with 1 or 2 free preview videos. For better understanding, you have to follow this course sequence number, because each of these courses are interlinked with each other. As discussed earlier, we have to first complete the initial 4 courses, then only you can go to the AWS Solution Architect course, because this courses are interlinked with each other, and for better understanding you should follow this sequence number. So how can we know which course you have to attend first, then the what is the next course? So for that we have provided the course number like 1, 2, 3, right? But there is another way. You can go to our website and under the courses page select the filter option as alphabetical, so it will order all the courses in an alphabetical way. Then it shows the course arranged as per the sequence number. So you have to follow the sequence number. The sequence number is, first you have to go through this cloud fundamentals. Then the second course you have to attend is learn Linux operating system. Then third one is the virtualization technology. Fourth one is the IP addressing and subnetting. Fifth one is AWS certified solution architect associate. Then after completion of these 5 courses, you can go and prepare interview questions. Then the 7th is AWS practice test series set 1, which having 7 test exams, and the 8th number course is the test series set 2, it also having the 7 test exams. So all these 8 courses take more than 6 months for me to design, prepare and record. And after the 6 months of dedication and hard work, I'm able to provide you these 8 training courses. We are providing a lifetime access to all these courses through our e-learning platform so that it provides flexibility to you and you can enjoy your learning as per your convenience. So it is not like online courses or classroom training courses that you are time bounded and you have to attend these classes anyhow, right? But in these courses you will get a flexibility that you can attend these courses as per your time convenience. Also, along with these pre-recorded training courses, we are providing support to our students through the WhatsApp group for their daily doubts clarification. And if our students having any questions or any queries, then they can raise it through this WhatsApp group. Then we are also providing access to our private Facebook group. This group is of like-minded pupils and the experts in the cloud computing. And by using this Facebook group, we can do more discussion on various cloud topics like the new updates in the cloud computing technology, then various job opportunities available in the market, then the different certification topics and the questions asked in the different certification exams. So you can discuss anything about the cloud computing technology by these WhatsApp and Facebook groups. Then after completion of these courses, we will provide course completion certificate. And these certificates value a lot in getting selected in the college campus round if you are a student. Then it will also help in new job openings if you are a fresher and on-job promotions if you are a working professional. So these well-designed certificates we are providing for each of these courses, and you can share this certification through this Facebook or LinkedIn or any of the social medias. And these certifications having unique QR code, then you can also track your progress for all these courses by logging and then selecting the page from our e-learning website or platform. This page is called as a My Dashboard. It will provide you the personalized space on our e-learning platform. Means once you enroll for any of our courses or create your account, then we are providing a personalized page where you can track what are the courses you are enrolled, how many courses you have finished, then what is your progress for the rest courses. Then it also shows how many course completion certificates you have earned. So you can track all these things on our e-learning platform, and this is your personalized page. Now be ready to grab a lifetime offer which is available only for limited time period. Now here I'm showing this lifetime offer for you and discuss the cost of all these self-paced training courses or pre-recorded training courses is 26,500 Indian rupees. But along with this training courses, we are also providing personalized support to our each and every student through the WhatsApp and Facebook groups. And I think this personalized support is a priceless because currently no other e-learning platform or institutes are providing such online personalized support to students. And this personalized support for self-paced training courses, right? I'm not talking about the classroom trainings, but for the self-paced training courses, no one in the market is providing such personalized support for their doubts and their questions and for discussion on all these topics on the cloud. The most important thing is that we are not charging this 26,500 to our student, but only rupees 3,900. If you compare it with the original price, that is 26,500 plus this priceless personalized support, then it is discounted by more than 85%. So I think this 3,900 rupees is affordable by all of you, right? This is the limited time offer and you can grab it only by paying through this payment link which we shared. If you visit our website, then you will not able to purchase these courses with the discounted price, because if you want to price all this package, then you have to pay 26,500 only. And this offer is only available through this payment link. So hurry up and start your journey with us in such interesting and magical field called cloud computing. If you open this payment link, then it shows the different payment options for the payment, like scanning UPI QR code or using the UPI ID. Then there are some more payment options like you can pay through the debit card, credit card, or through the net banking. But for more convenience of our students, we are providing EMI option also. Here you can select your preferred bank and you can go for 3 or 6 or 9 or 12 months EMI option. If you have any questions in your mind, then you can write it in the attached Google form and submit it. Then I will try to answer each and every questions. We are also providing live online trainings for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. The duration for this course is 48 hours and total course fee for this online live training is 14,000. So decide which course structure is suitable for you. That is, one is self-paced or pre-recorded training courses with 3,900 rupees, and another one is a live online training course with the 14,000 Indian rupees. In our first plan also, that is with 3,900 rupees plan, we are providing full online support through WhatsApp and Facebook group. So in this case also, our bonding will not end once you pass the certification exam or once you get a job in the cloud domain, but it will continue for a lifetime. So, so you can ask anything about the cloud computing through these different platforms at any time, because cloud is the presence and the future of the advanced technologies, and we as a NGLI love to work on these advanced technologies, and we will be always there to support to all our students who are interested to do something new in the cloud computing or other advanced technologies. If you go to different job portals like Naukri.com, LinkedIn, Monster, then you can find that there are millions of shortfalls of the cloud professionals, not only in the IT industry, but also in the other industries. Here I'm flashing some of the major organizations who are currently hiring thousands of cloud professionals. These are Amazon, then Microsoft, Google, IBM, Accenture, Dell, SAP, Capgemini, Reliance, and many more. If you get all these self-paced training courses along with online support with this minimum price, that is with the 3,900 rupees, from any of the other institute available in the market, e-learning platform or institutes providing all these things with 3,900 rupees or below this 3,900 rupees, then we will provide you 100% money back guarantee along with a free training access for all our courses. So hurry up and grab this opportunity by enrolling for these training courses right now, so you will not get this opportunity again. Hope you all heard name of Mr. Warren Buffett. He is the world's most successful investor and the sixth richest person in the world. Once he said that the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you will learn, the more you will earn. So invest in yourself and start your journey of learning this new skill. So these are our contact details. Our office is located in Pune, Maharashtra in India. And you will reach us support@ngli.in. So this is our email ID. Or you can call us at 8080-252-482. Or you can also visit our website at www.ngli.in.